Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The whole peculiarity and central focal point of this digital money is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance collection specialist co-opus 1inch trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. Execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to generally guarantee convenience, security, and usefulness. 1inch has for the most part acquired amazing importance. Before we start with nitty-gritty 1inch cost forecast, really take a look at the outline in an unpretentious manner. 1inch that has a significant effect. 1inch conveyed numerous tokens. Notwithstanding, the local token 1inch became well known as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost conjectures related news began circling on the lookout. The most important element that drives development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and reasonableness that empower speedier execution enhancements, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across different decentralized trades. 1inch organizations in a significant manner. Once the 1inch extended to Binance, there was contest among adversaries to trade by means of 1inch in light of token cost. As said by Sergej Kuntz, prime supporter at 1inch organization, right now the 1inch collection convention is now sent on Polygon, while the 1inch liquidity convention and the 1inch administration convention are supposed to grow over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and dealers getting to 1inch by means of others like Polygon benefit massively. Clients additionally benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in view of extremely token cost, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The 1inch test system. The aforementioned move of trading digital currencies gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so on. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon, are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the fundamental Ethereum blockchain. Undertaking 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized particulars to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among endeavors advancing liquidity mining. 1inch value forecasts, market feeling. 1inch can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In light of our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the sort of token could cross 16 cents. A drawn-out increment essentially is likewise expected. The cost guess for 2026 is 5 cents. As per our 1inch cost forecast 2022, the token will be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. What's more, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. An aggressive bullish viewpoint for 2022 has been made by our gauge, making 1inch a beneficial speculation on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast. It claims 2022 will in a real sense be a perfect year for 1inch on the trade, and the guage most exorbitant cost will by and large be around $2.82 to enter 2022 during a similar period. As per our gauge, the symbolic will ascend to $15 toward the finish of 2023 and will eventually reach $30 in year 2025. A 1inch cost could arrive at somewhere near the $5 to $10 mark in the following couple of months according to our cost conjecture. Hours at the hour of composing this crypto cost estimate, the ongoing cost of 1inch is exchanging around $1.28, and information shows that the in every practical sense token has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year, with a coursing supply of 412,981,641 inch. The 24 hours volume fundamentally has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost estimates bring a few factors into account, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. 1inch value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that 1inch is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the limits of a balanced triangle on the outline. It is clear that 1inch also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it an important venture. 1inch value forecast 2023. Going by the investigation of most certainly short and especially long-haul cost patterns, Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be really ideal for 1ch cost for acceleration, particularly with other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the outline. There is an estimated possibility of 1ch causing a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $4.40. 1ch value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by Guaj that 1ch would manage the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1ch has full commonly potential to support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances in contrast with other cryptographic forms of money like BTC and ETH. 1ch value forecast 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year as 1ch coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6 definitely. Fundamentally on the grounds that this year, no critical elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is guessed that the greater part of the harm done to the coin would be headed for fix work in every single world economy. 1ch value forecast 2026 in a significant manner. It generally isn't somewhat not exactly extraordinary news. What started with a 1ch cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Consequently, it has helped the market opinion peculiarity radically. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on the long essentially run for the 1ch development following its worth intently as a speculation choice. Thus, the 1ch cost forecast 2026 remaining parts very reassuring, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December. 1ch value forecast past 2026. Master brokers of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain instead of present moment because of the variable of unpredictability. With a touch of persistence in keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1ch token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically, by when 1ch would be not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital currencies. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing cost $3.32 on the graph, making it exceptionally beneficial. Does 1ch have a future? 1ch is one digital money that will have a brilliant and splendid future driving the cost on the lookout. Riding the crypto wave, it will control the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule for dealers. Is 1ch a wise speculation? Indeed in a significant manner. Notwithstanding, a reasonable level of investment is generally prudent to post perusing the market graph for cost expectation watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required. On the off chance that you make a smart venture in view of cost forecast, keep a watch on the site incredibly. Is 1ch a trick or genuine? Notwithstanding all discussions and contentions, 1ch uncovers an exceptionally sound and dynamic indication of a biological system for venture. You are encouraged to fastidiously follow the 1ch future value forecasts,